Stop scrolling, seriously, right now. Before you hit that next video, I need to tell you something terrifying. Something you've been doing every day thinking it's harmless, but it's slowly turning you into a zombie, a caveman, and maybe even a hunchback, all at the same time. Yeah, I'm talking about your daily habits. That snooze button, your toilet scrolls, your lava hot showers, all of it. By the end of this video, you're either going to laugh, cry, or rethink your entire existence. And yes, number 1 will absolutely ruin your posture if you keep scrolling. 10. The Snooze Button Nightmare. Ah, the snooze button. That little gift from the sleep gods. Or so you think. You hit it for 9 more minutes of bliss, but here's the science. Your brain just finished a REM cycle, your cortisol spiked, and you were literally ready to conquer the world. Then, bam, you shove yourself back into deep sleep. Result? Sleep inertia. That groggy, zombie-like feeling you hate in the morning. It's not fatigue. It's your brain being violently wrenched out of dreamland. Imagine starting your car, turning it off, and restarting it 10 times in a row. Congrats. You're ruining your mental engine before breakfast. Fun fact. Those 9 minutes don't make you smarter, happier, or more rested. They make you slower, crankier, and 100% less human. Pro tip, get up the first time. Yes, it's painful. No, it's not negotiable. Beer 9. Toilet scrolling chaos. Yes, I see you. You're thrown, your phone, you're thrown again. You think scrolling Instagram while on the toilet is me time? Wrong. First, your butt is getting crushed. No, seriously. Sitting 20-30 minutes on a toilet with a phone is giving you hemorrhoids. Gravity is not your friend here. Second, the germs. Flush without closing the lid, and microscopic poop particles fly up to 6 feet. Guess where they land? On your phone, your hands, your face. Congrats. You just kissed E. coli and salmonella goodbye. Pro tip. Keep it under 5 minutes. Eyes up, hands clean, dignity intact. 88. Mouth breathing madness. We all do it sometimes, especially when tired, but constant mouth breathing? You're basically auditioning for Neanderthal status. Your nose produces nitric oxide, which helps your lungs absorb oxygen efficiently. Skip that, and your body hates you. Bonus horrors. Dry mouth, cavities, bad breath, and slowly changing your facial structure. Over time, your jaw recedes, your chin disappears, and you're basically turning into a sad emoji. Pro tip. Nose in, mouth closed. Pretend you're a noble creature. Fire 7 eye rubbing disaster. You know that little itch. Don't touch it. I know it feels amazing, like pressing a stress ball, except your eyeball is not a stress ball. Pressing spikes intraocular pressure, weakens corneas, can cause keratoconus, wrinkles, dark circles, and bacteria transferred directly from your filthy hands. Pro tip, blink, use eye drops, or dab gently. Keep your knuckles away from your precious eyeballs. Lava hot showers. You know who loves boiling themselves every morning? Lobsters. Not humans. That scalding hot shower strips oils, dries skin, and for the guys, yep, it's killing sperm. Your hair, frizz, breakage, and brittle strands. Pro tip, lukewarm showers. Your skin and body parts will thank you. 5. Back pocket wallet. Disaster. Walking around with a back pocket that looks like a brick? Congrats, you're giving yourself a permanent tilt. One butt cheek higher, spine twisted, sciatic nerve crushed. Doctors call it wallet neuropathy. I call it slow motion butt torture. Pro tip, front pocket only. Your spine is a pillar, not a leaning tower of leather. 4. Post-meal brushing mistake. You drink orange juice, chug coffee, or snack on an apple, then instantly brush your teeth like a hygiene ninja. Stop. That acid bath temporarily softens your enamel, and brushing right away is like using sandpaper on your teeth. Pro tip, wait 30 minutes. Let your saliva neutralize the acid. Brush later. Your enamel isn't renewable. 3. Smartphone slump. Look down. Yes, your chin is practically glued to your chest. Every tilt multiplies your head weight on your spine. 12 lbs becomes 60 lbs at a 60-degree angle. Hours of TikTok like this say hello to text neck, chronic headaches, and a permanent hump. Pro tip, lift your phone to eye level. Yes, you might look silly, but at least your spine survives. 2. Sitting too long. Gaming, working, binge watching, sitting isn't neutral. Your core weakens, joints tighten, circulation slows. It's a slow torture chamber for your body. Pro tip, stand, stretch, walk every 30-45 minutes. Your butt, back, and brain will thank you. 1 lava hot coffee or acid attack. Drinking acidic drinks like juice, coffee, soda, then rushing to brush your teeth. You're literally sanding away enamel while it's soft. Result, yellow, sensitive teeth, and permanent overachiever syndrome. Pro tip, rinse, wait, then brush. Treat your teeth like diamonds, not drywall. And here's a bonus one for you multitaskers. Bending over with your laptop on the bed, hunch like Quasimodo, with coffee in hand, scrolling memes while your cat judges you. Yes, that habit is silently destroying your spine, your neck, and probably your self-esteem. So there it is. 10 habits you probably do every single day, and most of you are blissfully unaware. Stop hitting snooze. Stop scrolling on the toilet. Stop frying your skin, crushing your wallet, or sanding your teeth. If you learned something, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's slowly turning into a zombie, a caveman, or a candy cane shaped tech addict. Your body is your temple. Treat it better than your phone. I'm Mr. Wow, your friendly reality check therapist, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully upright and breathing through your nose.